Bad news mga kababayan, bad news. Dating Congressman Arnie Tevez kinidnap sa Timor-Leste mga kababayan. Kinidnap kasi hinuli na naman ng walang warrant of arrest. Uso na talaga sa gobyernong ito ang pangingidnap. Wala nang batas itong gobyernong ito. Narito yung balita mga kababayan. Pero bago yan, kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga ganapan dito sa ating channel.
Lord!
Narito yung balita mga kababayan. Ngayong umaga lang ito na basa ko. Expelled Negros Oriental Congressman Arnolfo Tevez Jr. was arrested Tuesday evening at his residence in Dili, the capital of Timor-Leste. According to Tevez legal counsel Ferdinand Topacio, the former lawmaker was taken by immigration police at around 8 p.m. kahapon, Dili time, alongside his Timor-Leste counsel, Dr. Joao Serra. No? Hinuli si Tevez, nandyan kasama yung abogado niya. Topacio claimed that during the arrest, Dr. Serra was manhandled by the officers. He added that both Tevez and Serra are currently being held at the compound of the Ministry of the Interior, while Tevez has legal counsel present inside the compound. Topacio said, no warrant or any written authority has shown to his client to explain the grounds for his detention. Tevez went into hiding after being accused of orchestrating the March 2023 assassination of the Negros Oriental Governor Roel Digamo. Allegations Tevez has consistently denied, describing them as politically motivated. He later surfaced in Timor-Leste where he sought asylum on the grounds that he was being prosecuted by the Philippine government, which he claims is falsely pinning Digamo's killing on him. Despite repeated efforts by the Philippine authorities to secure his extradition, the Court of Appeals of Timor-Leste rejected the request 2 months ago. The court cited Article 53, Section 3 of the Timor-Leste Constitution, which bars extradition when an individual faces a credible risk of torture or inhumane treatment. However, President Jose Ramos Horta said on Tuesday that Timor-Leste's decision making in the case of Tevez is guided above all by the country's national interest, regardless of all legal and constitutional considerations. There is one issue that all countries in the world observe: the national interest. Ramos Horta was reported as saying at a press conference at the Presidential Palace in Delhi. He stressed that Timor-Leste did not want to become a paradise of all those who commit crimes in the region, referring to Tevez, who is wanted in the Philippines for multiple murder charges. The non-extradition decision is outdated. Ramos Horta said, "You are not eligible for political asylum. If you are not eligible for asylum, if there is an Interpol warrant and a formal request from the Philippine authorities, it would be a serious irresponsibility for this country not to comply with that request." The president also praised domestic, judicial, and law enforcement bodies to act swiftly. "I want to say today what the justice system and the agencies that have to support justice are going to do," he added, without elaborating further. Itong presidente ng Timor-Leste mga kababayan, pinagwalang bahala na ang desisyon ng korte. Sa bagay, pareho naman sila ng karapatan. Pantay naman siguro sila ng karapatan, pareho ng batas natin dito sa Pilipinas. Baka nabayaran na rin itong presidente ng Timor-Leste, wala tayong magagawa dyan mga kababayan. Kasi itong gobyernong ito mukhang pera, lahat ng galaw, puro pera. Ito ang galawan ng mga sindikato, mga kababayan. So sa malayang pananaw natin, mga kababayan, ang gobyernong ito ay pinamumunuan na ng sindikato. Wala na tayong ibang magagawa. Ang magagawa natin, lakas, lakas, lakas. Hindi tayo puro social media lang sana matapang. Dapat matapang tayo sa labas din. Ipakita natin yung ating karapatan, ating tapang. Lumabas po tayo. Relations between Timor-Leste and the Philippines have been under strain since the Court of Appeals March ruling. Philippine Justice Secretary Jesus Remulla wanted at the time that Timor-Leste refusal to extradite Tibes could hurt its bid for full membership. Tinakot pala ni Remulla na hindi magiging full member ng Association of South Asian Nation ang Timor-Leste, na kung saan ang Pilipinas pala ang founding member. Ginamitan talaga ni Remulla ng tapos pera-pera pa, malamang. Calling na attention of Timor-Leste residents. Kindly check your president. However, tensions appear to have eased. Last Thursday, the Philippines officially expressed its support for Timor-Leste's ASEAN membership. Ipinagpalit pala si Tibes sa palit ulo pala ito. Kapalit ng pagiging full member ng Timor-Leste sa Asian countries, ipinalit ang ulo ni Tibes. Sana maganda yung sana pantay yung paglilitis ng ating. Ang tanong, kung malilitis ba? Kung makakarating ba sa korte si Tibes? Sayang, Tibes, hindi ka nagtago doon sa lugar na hindi ka kayang habulin. Kung sumunod ka sana doon kay Harry Roque doon sa doon sa Netherlands, hindi ka sana ganyan. At Asian Summit in Kuala Lumpur on the Monday, member states agreed that Timor-Leste's full decision to the bloc will take place on October. Kaya naman pala. So yun, mga kabayan, nahuli na po. Hindi po nahuli, kinidnap po si Arnie Tibes, katulad ng ginawa nila kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, katulad ng mga nangyayari ngayon na usong-uso na lang ang panghuhuli ng walang warrant of arrest. Nahawa na rin po itong Timor-Leste sa panghuhuli ng walang warrant of arrest. So yun lang, mga kabayan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.